All right, hello and welcome back to Energy Swings Design Center, and I wanted to show you our patented 3-panel center pivoted sliding window. Now what that means, there's 3 panels to it. A lot of times you'll only have 2-panel windows, but this is for your big windows, like your living room window or whatnot. Or sometimes you have them like that are kind of squatty and kind of long in your house, but this is what this is used for. So the first thing you do is you unlock it, which it's already unlocked, and unlock this one, and they actually slide into the middle. The screen's on the outside, and the screen can be removed from inside your home, which is a really nice feature. And then to clean these, which is really nice, this is a vinyl window, but it's reinforced with aluminum inside of it. And we make this ourselves right in our Murraysville factory, right off of Route 22 behind Wendy's. So the neat thing about this window, and this is why it's Energy Swing, is it has little clips at the bottom that you disengage, little clips at the top that you disengage. You always push away from the middle to open and towards the middle to lock it back up. So, and then it pivots. It'll actually pivot 360 degrees, and you'll see in just a second. So it pivots so you can clean the outside from the inside. And the same thing here, disconnect, disconnect, and it pivots. Move that out of the way, and here's the jaw dropper. Even the center panel, yes, I know you're probably saying, I've never seen anything like that. Well, this is an Energy Swing exclusive. It pivots 360 degrees, even that big piece of glass, and they can get substantially bigger than this window if you have one bigger in your house. And it pivots the whole way around so you can clean the outside from the inside. And don't worry about the size, because it's reinforced with metal inside of it, so it won't be a problem. But you spin it back, you lock it in place. You do the same thing with this one. You pivot it back, lock it in place, again towards the middle, slide it over. Same thing with this one, slide it over, lock it up, and voila. That's your Energy Swing 3-panel pivoted center pivoting picture window.